How to Export Gemini Chat History 2026 Full Guide. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to export your Gemini chat history step by step. Let's get started. First, open Google Gemini on your browser or mobile app. Make sure you're logged in to your Google account. Method 1. Copy chats manually. Open any conversation you want to export. Tap and hold the text, then select Copy. Now paste it into Notes, Google Docs, or any text editor. This is the quickest way to save specific chats. Method 2. Use Google Takeout, full export. Go to Google Takeout. Sign in with your Google account. Now tap Deselect All. Scroll down and find Gemini or Bard data. Select it. Then scroll down and tap Next Step. Choose File Type, Zip recommended, Delivery Method, Email link, Drive, etc. Finally, tap Create Export. Step 3. Download your data. Once the export is ready, you'll receive an email. Open it and download your file. Inside, you'll find your Gemini chat history. Bonus tip: exports may take time depending on your data size, so be patient. And that's it. Now you know how to export your Gemini chat history easily. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.